This is video of me training parkour. Let's go. If you like more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I can do anything just for you.